Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start by inspecting the axes because that often hides the trick. You immediately scan labels and units. If an axis starts at a non-zero number or uses uneven intervals, the shape is misleading. Once done, compare whether values are raw counts versus percentages and make sure the units match what you expect. You should also note if tick marks are missing or inconsistent. Those are common visual shortcuts that exaggerate trends. Next, evaluate how the data are represented and why that matters. You examine whether the chosen chart type suits the data: bars for discrete comparisons, lines for trends, scatter for relationships. Then look for visual embellishments, 3D, area fills, stacking, or heavy smoothing that can distort perception. Once you spot those, check if segments or time ranges were omitted or aggregated. Inconsistent ranges or hidden baselines will change the story you think you see. Finally, validate the numbers and provenance so you can trust conclusions. You should trace the source, confirm sample size and definitions, and then recompute simple metrics like percentages, means, or growth rates to see if they match the graphic. Once done, try plotting the same data with a neutral chart type to test the claim. If results differ, ask for raw data. Troubleshooting tip: if numbers are missing or inconsistent, request the dataset and read.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.